Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheila, best known as La Shade Curls, and today I have a little surprise for you guys. You stay tuned. If you want to keep watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what you think that I'm doing. Let's get started. As you've seen in the previous clips, yes, I am missing some chemicals, and if you guessed that, you're right. And I'm doing this because I wanted to get more deep on the, on my hair, on your hair, if you're actually, you want to go natural. And I did learn a lot in that class. I'm certified, and why I wanted to be certified, if I could just make it at home, I wanted to get certified because actually I just don't want to sell something that I make at home and then tell someone, put it on the refrigerator. Things don't work like that, I do not want to say that, bacteria could grow, and if you put it in your hair, it's no good. If I'm going to sell it, I want customers to be super secure, that they can leave their product wherever they want without being scared that it's gonna get damaged. That's why I went to take that class, and I want to thank the teacher. She was great, and I learned a lot. Even things that I thought I knew, I learned in that class, and I'm so grateful. I know I had shown you guys few stuff. The little thing I was showing you, if you saw in the clips, I made a treatment. It's deep conditioner, and it smells so good. It's vegan, because we actually made a shampoo, natural too. It smells so good. Oh my god, and I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Oh my god. We actually made halea, and I feel so dumb. I asked the teacher what was halea, but I had to Google it. I Googled it, and halea actually is gel in Spanish. So we made halea, and we made some leave-in. And the texture is so good. Oh my god. What else we made? We made some scrub. I wasn't expecting to do this at class because I went just for because I want to know how to make shampoos and deep conditioner and leave-in. We made some scrubs. We made some scrubs. It smells so good. And what else? Oh yeah, and I got my certificate. I can actually sell my own products when I am ready. Not yet, I don't want to rush. Everything comes on their own time, If what else can I say? I'm so excited. Oh my guys, I did the first step that I was so scared to do, and oh, sorry, I forgot. I learned how to make some soap. Oh, it smells so good. made some soup too. So yeah, and what else? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like I want to share this with you guys because you know now you're my family and I feel like you need to know every detail I've been doing for my hair. Oh my god, like I can't believe, like I was so scared. At first I was like, if I do it, I don't have a lot of followers, like who's gonna buy it? And that stopped me for actually like 4 years of thinking about it. Like, and then my best friend told me, you know, go for it, you got a customer already. So I was like, okay, and I did it. If I know my close friends are gonna support me, and whoever wants to support me, they're welcome. And I'm excited and I'm so happy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. What do you think? Do you think that I actually did good for coming out the closet? Because I was so scared to do it, and I pulled my pants and I was like, you know something, I'm actually gonna do it. I'm happy. I like, oh my god, thank you. And you know, since they're my friends now, I just wanted to share this with you. What else? That's it. I kept saying thank you and subscribe. You know, yes, subscribe so you could stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing you guys in the future. Every time I make shampoo, the conditioner, before I put it out there, I will be showing that it's all natural. You know, it's all natural. So if you don't want to miss it, please subscribe, click that bell notification so you won't miss no video. It's like, period. Oh my god, thank you. So this is the end of the video. This is the classmates. Say hello.
Hey.
We are certified.
Yes, por favor.
Yes, exactly, you know. Follow them
You're
on
getting to
Instagram.
meet the next CEOs.
Yes, the next CEO. If y'all want to share your Instagram so they can follow you guys.
Exactly. Hey.
What's your Instagram?
No, te lo debemos. Later, we're gonna talk about that later. No, pero ahora me van a tener que agregar toda para que me taguen.
Yes, we are all gonna win.
Follow me at Sully Hair Beauty. I know, I forgot. I'm so sorry.
I will be leaving
you keep it posted.
Yeah, down below on the description box.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Sully Hair Skincare. Yes.
Yes.
Instagram.
Okay,
Yes.
I got you.
Now I remember. Qué business moment, Dios mío. No puedo Instagram.
We are all gonna win. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Adios.